All right, guys. Today we're just gonna make a little bit of a farm tour video, so stay tuned. All right, so you got my house that I'm living in, and then my grandpa's, all the guineas. This is our little silo. We fill this up with high moisture corn. We're getting low, but if we can ever get out in the field when it dries off, we'll fill it back up. That'll be a video. We sit here, we feed that to the cow. 2 scoops of that to the cows. Alright, I'll see you once we get to the shed. And we're in the shed. We got the Ranger, we're fixing the front bearing. Bunch of old stuff. My grandpa's Alice Chalmers B with the mower deck. The mower, the one blade keeps breaking on us. Otherwise, good tractor. Then we got the 3010, John Deere 3010. The one tire went flat on us. Put a new one on. That tire went flat. So this one's got the 8-speed and stuff. It's the same thing as the 4020. But then my grandpa's old AR. He just likes buying and selling tractors. We got one of those. John Deere 40. That's we use that one if we seed down fields and stuff. But this year we used the 3010 and the 4020. Then in the winter we pack basically all of our tractors in here. We got a drill press way over there. I don't remember how big this shed is. We had my brother's graduation in here. So I'm gonna go to the shop. And we are in the shop. It's pretty messy. We gotta clean it out again. We got a spare feed cart in here. Works good. Old water heater. Our own tire changer. And then here's our New Holland LS60 skid steer. Been having quite a bit of issues with it the last year. My grandpa actually went and bought it's not here yet, but the guy's bringing it. He went and bought a John Deere industrial loader tractor, so that'll be here. Then here's our combine, a Gleaner F2. My dad normally just runs this and does the corn and stuff. If you're wondering what that noise is, it's all the chicks and stuff. They're getting pretty big. Then you come over here. You got the cattle trailer. We don't really use that. We don't really haul our own cows. Then the calf hutch. And I gotta pick all this stuff up. Then here's the John Deere 4620. It's an 8-speed. It's got a heating plug in it. It's got a nice cab on it, except for when you get a new seat for it. That'd be really nice. My back don't hurt as bad. Then over here we got a little oat. But here's that calf barn. I'm thinking next spring I'm gonna probably redo this entire thing. Scrape it all out, put insulation in the walls. Then I'll let this open though, so then you can see right in. But then, so that's the plan. Then we can have that for all summer and all next winter and spring for calves and stuff. Goats if we need to. Another old spare feed cart, lawnmower. Got a bunch of junk laying around. This blower actually went bad on us this fall here when we were filling that silo. Then we got the 60-foot silo, a oil elevator in there. The 60-foot silo, we got that completely full right to the top. With that, goes up there a ways. I had to climb up and down that about 3 or 4 times because I plugged it. Then here's our cools blower that we switched to. Works good. We got an old dump truck, and then we got the John Deere 5020. We actually had to take the whole entire this off, and then we had to take this off, and then take the gas tank or the diesel tank out, and then we had to re-weld it. And then because there was a hole in the bottom, the little like pin-size holes that it was leaking. This one's also an 8-speed, but so we'll see you once we get to the 4430. And here's our grain dump truck that we normally use just for the grain. It is Chevy. Forgot the year on it though. But then Grandpa's got an old Massey tractor here that we don't really use. It just sits in the shed. Runs good though. And then here's the 4430. I don't know. It's I'll show you the shifting. Then a Gale chopper. Apparently I can't fit through here. A Gale chopper that we use. But then I'll just climb up here. We used this on the Gale chopper the other day. That's the shifting. And then all the gauges and stuff. And then we got a gooseneck trailer, the chopper boxes we use. And then old junk trailer. A rotary mower, John Deere corn head, John Deere hay head. This is a 1065 Gale chopper. This is the one that you guys seen in the corn silage video. We switched over to this. Works good as long as you keep feed pushing into it. I'll meet you back once we get into the barn. This is our mixer. Rustler mixer. We normally just put corn silage in there, and then we mix it with the haylage too. Put a barn cat up there, and then our elevator. I'll get to the milk house in a little bit here, but I'll go back by the manure pit. This is back by the goats. We got them all locked in finally. I still gotta put plywood on the hut, but we got 2 balers. This one makes a pretty small bale. Here's the brand. And then we got our New Holland baler. This one does a good job. That's what these littler bales are. Then them big ones with the net wrap, them from our neighbor, he wrapped them for us. And then we got an Oliver 1850 out here. It runs perfectly fine, but the 2 back tires blew out on us. They got great tread on them yet. Then we got on the other side of the pile here, we got case 995. I gotta clean all this stuff up once the field dries out. I'll take our old scrap dump truck that we use for scrap and stuff. But here's that case 995. Runs yet perfectly fine. We just don't really use it. But then here's the Oliver 1850. See, they got great tread on them. That's like a good inch yet. But then the liquid inside just all started squirting out the one day, and it was bad after that. Then we got the 4020 on the manure spreader, John Deere 4020, 8-speed. And then you all seen in the corn chopping video that we got an egg bagger here. This is our own. This one works good. Pack that bag, pack this other bag, pack that bag, and then here's our John Deere chopper that Zach plugged in. Then we got a hay bind or disc bind down there, another couple bags and piles of chopper box, and a couple bales, and then dump truck, and then there's all the cows. And I'll show you that. Well, you guys seen that bottom barn. Then there's that. All the goats are in there eating now. And then in a little bit, I'll get you a tour of in the barn and in the milk house. Albino pigeon. Didn't get that close to it. We got chickens down here. I'll show you. We got about 13 of them. They should be getting close to laying eggs. That means that they're close if it's hanging over like that. She's the only one that's got it hanging over. So, and then you come out here. You go up here. This, well, I mean, sometimes during the summer we'll put feed in front of here and stuff. But otherwise, we normally just keep less than 10 heifers down here every summer. There's them guinea hens again. There's like 19 of them babies with them. Oh, that's right. All right, there you go. Yeah, these are all the heifers. The guineas like to roost up here. I don't know, it works for us. We put heifers down here. They do good most of the time. Then, if you look right down there, we got a flowing creek that the cows drink out of all the time. At least 3/4 of the time. And some more old junk hidden in the weeds and stuff. And there's the cows. Then there's the 60-foot silo, that calf barn, the shed, an old camper. But I'll get that milk house tour in a little bit. So stay tuned. And we're in the milk house. We got the milk tank here, the jar, the surge unit, the wash cycle, the udders, or the milkers, surge. And we got this bed for the inspector. We got a wheel, the tub. So everyone knows what the cows are bred. The pump. That's about it for the milk house. Alright, so now I'm out in the barn. This barn, I mean, we got heifers out here, my spare steer back there, gravity wagon full of sawdust now. But this barn holds, in the normal part, like right in here, it holds 22 or 23, I can't remember. But then out in the free stall out there, it holds 11 with the stalls that we added on. We got pipeline, breaker box, all that stuff. Got the feed cart, fencer for the electric fence. I'm in here milking right now. Then we got a milker cart, but we're milking around 20 to 23 cows right now. Some of them are drying off themselves. And then we're gonna have about, well, there's a heifer right there. This one right here is the milk cow. Then this is the heifer that's getting close to freshening. So, but with that being said, make sure to like and subscribe. We'll see you guys next time.